What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another unboxing. We've got a pretty exciting one here, so we're gonna take them out and get to looking, starting right now. Let's try to get them out all nice and packed in. So first one out on the unboxing is gonna be the 2024 Kyle Larson HendrickCars.com number 5. This will be his Coke 600 Chevy Camaro to go along with his Indy car and the Indy 500. Of course, pretty significant scheme here, pretty significant day that he's going to have coming up. This is the first 2024 diecast to be released, and it's before the season even starts. That's pretty cool. So that's first one out. Next, let's see, we'll just take out Tyler Reddick in his 45 Jordan brand Camry. Another absolutely gorgeous scheme from Jordan 2311 Racing. One of the best ones. I love that shade of blue. Next, Ben Rhodes, number 99, Charlotte Truck Win. A 164 race win truck with confetti. Pretty rare, but this one is definitely cool. Ben Rhodes, my favorite truck series driver. So glad he could get another championship. And of course, this win at Charlotte. Really cool looking. Of course, they just recently started putting confetti back on the windshields. So really cool one there. Next up, let's see. We've got Josh Berry's Bass Pro Shop late model, number 3. I think these late models are coming out extremely well. So glad to add another one to the collection. Halfway there. Next, we've got Kyle Busch in his number 8 3Chi Gateway winner. Again, much like Ben Rhodes, really cool that they're adding the confetti back to the windshields. If you're gonna make the race winning scheme with all that detail, I'm glad they added that back to make it more realistic. And this one happens to be extremely covered. So next, we have Christopher Bell in his number 20 Interstate Batteries Camo. Another gorgeous one here, pretty cool to see. Obviously, it's the patriotic scheme. And then we have 2 more. We've got Sam Mayer in his number 1 Tim McGraw Standing Room Only Camaro. Another really cool one, like Sam Mayer, like the Xfinity schemes that he's had. Junior Motorsports usually always has good partnerships and schemes. So one last one here in the box. Kyle Busch again in his Talladega winner. McLaren Custom Grills Talladega win. Another really cool one covered in the confetti. So 2 Kyle Busch winners in this one. Let's move that so we can take one more look. Kyle Busch win number 1. Got Talladega and Gateway. We have another win here. Ben Rhodes, coolest one in the box to me, because I love Ben Rhodes, love orange, love the confetti. And we got Christopher Bell again. We have Tyler Reddick, really cool. Sam Mayer. Josh Berry's late model. And then last but not least, the Kyle Larson 2024 HendrickCars.com Coke 600 Indy 500 double scheme. But that will do it for this video. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out.